my seven. I'm ripping in my seven, my seven, my seven. Okay. I'm bouncing in my seven, my seven, my seven. I'm riding in my seven.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy ENTHUSIAST. Ain't tuning in for another one. I apologize. My fault. Turn this on mute. So yeah, what's going on, guys? It's your boy ENTHUSIAST. I'm not used to damn fucking not recording a video on my phone, so y'all gotta bear with me. Still waiting on this part or this lens adapter widener to come in. It should be here today, hopefully, and yeah. So if that comes in today, then the next video that I shoot will be from that, and it should be wider, whatever like that. So anyway, this video here is about a new wallet that I ordered. So I'm about to get rid of my old wallet. Shout out to Texas Honda channel for giving me that wallet. But I'm stepping into the future. So in my wallet I have a total of, let's see how many cards. I know it sounds like a lot. I mean, it might be because it is just a little bit. So that's everything out of my wallet. Yeah, driver's license, VA card, Cash App card, credit cards, PayPal card, bank card, and oh, looks like I'm missing one bank card. But I know exactly where it's at. So let's get the new wallet out, and I'm gonna show y'all what I got. This wallet I've been contemplating getting it for a minute. Was always on the fence. Probably like last year I think I decided on it, but then didn't pull the trigger still. So I ordered this wallet. Let me look back at my emails. I can tell you. Let me tell you, it's packaged nicely. Maybe it'll say here on the receipt. So the order date was 4/28. Today is 5/6. So I want to say. So today is 5/6, so a little bit over a week, depending upon. So if it was 10:47 a.m. on, so it was about a week ago, a little over a week ago. So a week and a day. I think the thing that took the longest was actually just the shipping and everything. Because the package, I was tracking the packaging, and it did get stuck in like Austin for like 3 days. So United States Postal Service, I don't know what's up with that, but I need y'all to do better. So let me show you what I ordered. So there is a wallet itself. This wallet is from the Ridge Wallets. I did use a promo code Prim. Shout out to Prim's Hood Cinema. I enjoy his content, and hopefully I would enjoy this wallet as well. Like I said, I've been debating it for a whole minute. Had decided on it. Had thought I had already ordered it, but obviously not, because I didn't have it yet. So the one that I ordered was a carbon fiber one. just because I like the styling of it. I like the styling of it. So the features of this wallet are that it expands to hold 1 to 12 cards. It's RFID blocking. It's a modular design, and it's backed by a lifetime warranty. I don't know any other wallet that you could buy to where you have a actual lifetime warranty on your wallet. So that is interesting. I'll keep y'all updated if I have to make a claim on it or what, anything like that. Let's see if I can get this out of here. All right. So opening up the box. Welcome to the Ridge. They also sell other products, I believe, like phone cases, a couple other things like that. You have the option of ordering it with a money clip, or you can order it with so you can order it with a money clip or a cash thing maker bobber. I believe the only thing you need is alright, so that's over there. So yeah, so this is the wallet. If you compare it to the size of the other wallet, it is like very small. So I chose to go with the cash strap versus, or the money strap versus the actual cash strap. Like I said, RFID blocking, blocks 12, bro. This is crazy. It is literally just about like the size of your license. You know what I'm saying? It's crazy. It's crazy. So no more billfold. You know what I'm saying? Hello, wallet of the future. Usually I'm pretty much a person that just kind of I stick to what I know. However, with this, I decided to kind of venture out just a little bit. So the wallet redefined, it comes with a card. They're on Instagram, Facebook, as well as Twitter if you want to check them out. So yeah, it says it holds 12 cards. I have here in my hand 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I know there's another card that I have somewhere, 7. So I have 7 cards here. Like I said, this is the total thickness of the wallet. When you go to put your cards in there, I mean, you pretty much open it up one hand, slide your cards in there, and boom. So now technically my wallet went from this to this. And now, like I said, you do have a cash strap that's on the side. You can do it like that. So I don't know what I was expecting, but I mean, it's just a wallet. It is very small. Like I said, man, like the size difference is just uncanny, man. The wallet no longer has to be something that you put in your back pocket. So now it's just something you can stick in your front pocket and roll. Stick it in the front pocket with your keys, everything like that. There were some additional things that I did order with my order from the Ridge. They had a promotion going on when I ordered. So there was a promotion for a free cavity tray, and that's what's in this box here. I'm gonna go ahead and open that up for you so you can see exactly what that is. but I was curious about it myself. It does say the cavity trays allows you to carry a few coins, keys, and other small items in your Ridge wallet while maintaining the slim profile. I'm not exactly sure how many card spots it would take up or anything like that. Said built for the best, 2.5mm wall design, silicone lined inner padding, ultralight aluminum frame, carry less, live more. So this is the aluminum cavity tray. It's very lightweight. I don't really carry chains like that, but let me see if I can give y'all a demonstration. Let's see. No, I got some chains somewhere. That's a battery. If I could just find just one penny or something. Alright, so cavity tray, a penny. It's not going to carry much more than that. There are no instructions with this part. I mean, it's a cavity tray. I'm not sure how much more you want to know about it. But say, I guess you got some chains, a couple quarters or something, and you wanted to just put it inside the wallet. This cavity tray allows. See, the cavity tray is there, and you really can't even tell. So, but now I have the ability to carry small change, a single key, not a lot, but you know, say if you have a house key, you know what I'm saying, instead of having the house key on your ring, you keep the house key in your wallet, which is now this, and you always have it with you, and it goes in your front pocket, and it's not just jostling around the only thing in your pocket either. So there's something to think about as well.
So the first place, and then we'll back it up.
The last but not least thing that I did order was this here. So being that I was going, this is a carbon case. And I'm gonna show you exactly what I mean by a carbon case. So you're like, what the hell? Carbon case? I thought the wallet was carbon fiber. Well, let me show you something. So because I was making this investment in my wallet, lifetime warranty and all, I know that a lot of times, sometimes we tend to lose things, and by we I mean me, but it may also mean you too. So you may want to consider buying this along with it. So what I have here is the carbon case, and I'll show you exactly what it is just as soon as I get it out the box. But these are all like really nice, real nice packaging and everything, man. I do like it. So the carbon case, this is lay carbon case. Lay carbon case. So basically, what this carbon case is for, this carbon case will house, it attaches to your wallet, and it houses a AirTag. Now, if you don't know what an AirTag is, Apple has this technology called the Apple AirTag to help you track and keep track of your devices. You can attach them to your keys, different things like that. Well, the AirTag is sold separately. If you see here, AirTag sold separately, but this case that you order from the Ridge will house this AirTag and have it to where you can use it to keep track of your wallet. So being that, you know, I was going out fancy anyway, then I decided, like, you know, why not? Why not? So yeah, man. This, like I said, this here is just gonna attach onto the wallet. I'm going to read the instructions and everything and get it installed. But I mean, I think it's pretty straightforward how it goes on. It goes on, boom, and you're good to go. So alright, so yep, that way. Alright, man, so if you're interested, man, hopefully by the time the video drops, I may or may not have a sponsorship myself with Ridge, or an affiliate link for Ridge. If not, please use my boy Prim from Prim's Hood Reviews. Use his code Prim to get a percentage off of your Ridge wallet today, because he's the reason that I went ahead and pulled the trigger on mine. So shout out to everybody, man. I appreciate y'all, and y'all have a great day. Gone.